Okay, this one comes to us from Carl. He asked the question, is it possible to have employees assigned to more than one division, clock into jobs at both divisions, and both times be turned into payroll normally? And the answer is yes. Through TechApp you can do that. Let me show you how that works. So on the left side here is my Android mobile device. It works on, of course, Android and iOS. So I'm going to use Android for this example. And on the right is the Albuquerque branch. As long as that employee number is in both or multiple companies or divisions, that person will be able to clock in. That person will be able to access jobs at both divisions. So let me show you how that works. I'm going to click the TechApp icon right there. So when I enter my employee number and verify, it's going to come up to the last company or division that I was logging time to. On the Android version, you have to back this out to see all the divisions that you're assigned to. So I'm going to tap that and go backward. And now I see that my employee number has been entered into 3 different companies or divisions. On the iOS version, as soon as you tap it, it gives you a list. So this shows that I'm at Albuquerque, my employee number. Here we are at Albuquerque. I go to the employee dashboard. I search for my employee number, and there I am. And I have the ability to clock in and out of jobs and work orders at that division or company because this box is checked. So it says I'm also at El Paso. So let's go to El Paso. You see I'm now logged into the El Paso division. Same thing, employee dashboard, A049. And there I am there too. And I also have the ability to clock in and out of jobs and work orders at that division. So from the TechApp, you would just pick the division. Now let's go to my test company, and we'll see that I'm also located there. And I also have clock in and out here. Okay, so we see that there are the 3 companies that I have access to. And I have access to because this employee number was found in the employee dashboard. To get a person added to a different branch, someone at that branch must go in and click Add New Employee. Now, from the TechApp, I'm going to click Jeff Sandbox. And it says that it was verified. I'm going to log in, and I'm going to click the in and out. And there are the jobs and work orders associated with that branch. So I'll clock in. The time tracker dashboard for service and fabrication, because it's all on one screen. And there's my clock in right there from my TechApp. Now, let's say I'm going to clock out at lunch. Refresh. I'm now clocked out. There are my 2 clock-ins, and now I'm going to go to the other division. So from the TechApp, I'm going to have to log out and go through this process again. And this time we'll go to Albuquerque. So from the dashboard, someone at that branch is going to monitor the hours for Albuquerque. The same thing, we go to the time tracker dashboard, and from the TechApp, I as the employee will clock in to this job, refresh, and there I am. So in a single day, I clocked into 2 different divisions, 2 different jobs at 2 different divisions, and then everything just gets sent to payroll as it normally does. Unless you have access to multiple companies or divisions, you'll only see yours. So you'll have to coordinate your employees' time with someone from the other division. there needs to be an understanding that this person is clocking into jobs that we're sharing this employee. He'll be clocking into jobs, work orders in your division and mine. So each person from each division will be responsible for sending that time to payroll. If you need to see that person at the other division, then we just need to add you as a user to both divisions. And that's simple enough to do.